Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video, and today we're installing the lift kit on the Miata. I've been waiting for a while and I finally got tires for it. That's actually my girlfriend's car right here. Let me go around so you guys can take a look at them. But I paid $90 for all four of them. Oh shit, you cannot see them. But as you can see, they have pretty good thread. They have 30 seconds, I believe it is. So that's almost like brand new. Brand new, they're 30 seconds. But I'm about to take the wheels out, lift the car, take the wheels out, and here I have the lift kit. You guys haven't seen it before. I did an unboxing of it, but here's the rear, and it came powder coated, so that's good. But yeah, let me just get the jack stands and start taking stuff out, and hopefully I knock it out in less than 2 hours. Hopefully I don't run into no problems with rust or anything like that, because I already sprayed the whole car with penetrating oil. I've done it twice already in the past couple weeks, so it shouldn't be that bad. So let's get started. All right, so I'm here doing the front ones. My brother's doing the other side, and I got it on already. It wasn't that bad. It was pretty simple. But the thing is, now the top ball joint, since that pretty much shot, it keeps spinning. So every time that I keep tightening it, it keeps spinning, and I cannot get it tight, or like I cannot get a grip to it. The lift is already on, and it's so much of a difference than the other side. Like, it's 3 inches is a lot for this car. So let's, I'm gonna keep trying and see what else I can do to hold it down, at least get it tight enough, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is the side that has the left on already, and then see the difference. It's a big difference actually, and hopefully it doesn't rub as bad with these tires. If you have a Miata and you live in somewhere where there's salt or snow or whatever, just know that if you're ever gonna put your coilover, so you can remove the rear struts, like the way that Mazda did this is really stupid. So inside here, the control arm, later inside the control arm, there's a nut that the bolt for the strut goes through. So that a nut, it's welded inside, and when there's salt and over the years, the nut comes loose. So whenever you're gonna take it out, it snaps off. So then what you have to do is go to the bottom, and later it cold it. So you see the control arm, you have to go and cut like pieces of it, so you can get a wrench or something down there, so you can take it out. So that's what I did right now. I had to cut the bottom control arm. The other side didn't snap, but this side did. So that's why I'm taking forever to do this. All right, so we've been here for around 4 hours already, and some of those hours we're just trying to get shit out that we couldn't get out. It's not on the floor right now, but I'll get a better look tomorrow morning. But as you can see, it's a pretty big difference from stock. When I had it stock, it was around ½ an inch from the wheel. So, and now it's like freaking 6 inches from the wheel. But I'll get a better look for you guys tomorrow, and I can't wait to put the other tires on too. All right guys, I'm back, and I finally got my tires on yesterday. It took me a while to get them on because my friend couldn't do it and he was busy, and so but I got them on. And yesterday, after I got out of the shop, came home, the car was rubbing like super bad, so I had to cut the bumper more, I had to cut the rear more. I think I still have to cut a little bit more back here, but I'm about to put my fender flares on. And also when I came back, I had to cut, like, if you ever do this to your Miata, you have to beat the crap out of the wheel well, the inside of it. So you can see it's still rubbing right there. I want to get a sledgehammer so I can hit it more, because the hammer, I did what I could with the hammer, and that's it. So as you can see, this is how much I had to push it in, but it's pretty bad. It still rubs like a super tight turns, which is not bad. At least I can drive it. I took it to school and it wasn't rubbing. But right now, I'm gonna put my fender flares on. I was about to take the bumper out and cut it on the whole line right here, because I don't like how it looks with lifted in the bottom part of the bumper. But I don't have time. I have to work in an hour, and I don't think I'm gonna do it in an hour. So I'm about to put the fender flares on real quick and probably get it washed. because it's like really dirty and I'm about to get it in line. If I have time, I'll get it washed. If not, whatever. But as you can see, I had to cut more in the back on both sides. Here I cut more than the other side. And like the fender first, I'm gonna cover it till here. And then I'm taking the bumper out probably this week, the rear bumper. And then I'm painting that with bed liner black. But yeah, let's start putting the fender first on. Here I have them. I'm gonna muck them up real quick. I bought some little cutting wheels for my Dremel so I can cut them. And let me just muck it up and see how they fit. All right, so I have the front flares on. I still have to trim a little bit back down here, but I'll do that another day. I don't have time right now. I'll muck the rear ones out, but to be honest, I like how the car looks without them on the rear. The front one looks good, the rear doesn't. I might just paint the front the same color I'm gonna paint the car, so it won't look that odd, I guess. So I'm just gonna paint them gray, the same color as the car. Not this gray, but I haven't showed you guys the paint. I have it downstairs. I'll show you later. But yeah, that's how it looks. I said we'll do some trimming, and that part right here and all that will be out. So the only thing that's gonna be left on the bumper will be from this line up, throw the whole bumper. So like the whole smile is gonna be out, and the rear bumper is gonna be out too. But that'll be for another day. It's getting cold outside, and I have to go work in a little bit. But yeah, then I'm also gonna look out for another tire, another wheel. I mean, I don't know what kind of wheels are these. I guess they're diamonds, but I don't know the offset or I don't know the offset. But I have to look it up and see if I can find the same tire, so I can put one in the back. I want to drill one back here, or I might do some mucking up and put two in the back straight. I seen this guy done it with a lifted Miata. It might be too much work. I might not do it. I might just put the one on the top and just bolt it down to the trunk. That's it for this video. I have nothing else to do or show you guys. If you guys want to keep updated with a build, my brother's car, DSM. Actually, yesterday he bought like $1,000 of parts, and he's gonna be putting on. I think he bought the intake manifold and probably some cams. I'm not sure yet. I saw his Snapchat. He posted like all the money that he spent, but I haven't talked to him. He's still sleeping. And you know, if you guys want to see autocross or want to see more of this car, my brother's car, my friend's 1,000 horsepower Evo, and all the Evo builds we have going on, make sure to click that subscribe button. Let's scroll down if you want to see some Evo builds. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.